Belief in I'm a born sinner can have a significant psychological impact on individuals. It can make you feel unworthy, worthless, and undeserving. Even if you've left that religious belief behind, it doesn't mean you're free from its effects. Here are 3 ways that this belief can still impact your life. First, downplaying your accomplishments. You may discount your successes and abilities thinking you don't deserve them. This can hold you back from reaching your full potential and even impact your self-esteem. Second, being overly critical. Another effect of this belief is being overly critical of yourself. You may unnecessarily focus on your flaws and shortcomings, affecting your self-worth. Third, constantly seeking approval. You may also find yourself constantly seeking validation and approval for others in various ways. This is an attempt to make up for feeling unworthy. It can lead to a never-ending cycle of seeking validation without ever feeling truly fulfilled or satisfied. In Kemetic science, you're a god or goddess in training and a creator. Don't let the unrecognized effects of religion hold you back from stepping into your purpose. Acknowledge the impact that this belief may have had on your life and make a conscious effort to overcome it. You are worthy, deserving of success, and capable of achieving great things.